welcome back. So, because of my last video that I talked about like Vagrant and how to install it and how to start it and everything, I thought I would just like continue with that line and show you how to install Flex Gateway in Linux. I'm gonna be basing on this tutorial. I'm gonna put the link in the comments. So the first thing that I want you to check is that you actually are in one of the supported Linux versions. So if you go to the docs, you will see that these are the long-term support versions of Linux that Flex Gateway currently supports, which is Ubuntu Bionic, Ubuntu Focal, and Debian 9 Stretch. I am on Ubuntu Bionic, which is what I installed in the last video. If you remember, we went and did the Vagrant file, and we have Ubuntu Bionic 64. I did SSH, and I'm here. So now I want to run this to make sure that I am actually on an LTS and like everything looks good. Yes, I am Ubuntu and version is LTS and I am Bionic, so we're all good. It actually did work. Now, if I go back to the tutorial, you will see that there are some Linux packages that you need to have installed in your computer before running the tutorial. I don't even know if they're already installed. Let me just try something weird. Yeah, I think they're already installed. I can just might as well try. So I can just copy this and this will install these packages. So yeah, I think that's good enough. Okay. Now you have to set up everything and install it. So I maybe any.MuleSoft.com. Maybe I should have opened this before starting the tutorial. Oh well, that's life. Oh, come on. Martinez. I think I'm at 11 now. Here you go. Sorry about taking too long doing this. I said I was not gonna edit these videos and I stand by it. So anyway, we go to Runtime Manager, Flex Gateways. Yeah, I had done some tests before. So let's go to Linux, copy this, go back to our stuff. I'm actually just gonna take this off. Okay, so yes, paste. And now it's gonna run everything, install whatever it needs to install. Make sure the commands were successful. Verify the package was correctly installed by running flexctl version. So, oh, we missed the last one. And then the output should be like, oh wait, I think I changed this. I haven't been able to update the tutorial yet, but it should be done this week. Anyway, yes, you may not be able to run this though, but I will run flexctl help, which is what the new version of the tutorial will say. Oh, come on. All right, there you go. So flexctl help. Yeah, we have the help. So it means that it was correctly installed. Now to register, just go into here, take the register command. Oh, I actually did need the file. Damn it. Okay, new there. Paste. And now flexctl register. Let's just add Linux gateway. Token organization connected true. Looks good. Copy and paste it in the command line. Yes. Run. And that's gonna register my gateway. And that's it. Yeah, looks good. Verify there is a registration.yaml. Oh, inside here. So if I do lsla and this thing, we can actually see that there's a registration.yaml. Cool. So now, if you check Flex Gateway, you should have your new gateway. Yes, Linux. Let me zoom in. Linux gateway, and it is disconnected. And now to start the gateway, I'm just gonna run this. This will start the service. And now if you check Flex Gateway again, now it's connected. Sweet. You can also verify that the service is running by running this. So copy, paste, and yeah, it is running. As you can see here, it kind of says like what the services are running or whatever. Clear. So, all right, if you want to remove it, you can just select stop instead of start, and you can also delete it from any point platform by selecting delete, like here. So yeah, that's it. It's super straightforward. The Flex Gateway version, oh, actually I can run this now. FlexCTL version. The Flex Gateway that I'm running right now is 1.2.0. These steps may change in future versions, which is why I'm not creating official tutorials for Flex Gateway anymore, because it might take a lot of time to do. But anyway, that's how you install Flex Gateway on Linux. This is version 1.2.0. Thank you so much for watching, and maybe I can just keep on installing Flex Gateway in the other supported stuff. All right. Well, that's it, and I can also exit and I get out of my virtual machine. Oh, and also something I forgot to say in the last video, you can also select Vagrant Destroy, and this will essentially remove your virtual machine. Yes, I am sure. This will, yeah, stopped, powered off, done. And that's it. That's how easy it is. So now if I go back to my gateway, it's gonna be disconnected, and I can select, oh, you cannot see that. Hold on. I keep forgetting my face is there. So you can just select here and select delete gateway. And yes, just an FYI, the gateway will be shown deleted as deleted for the next 30 days. So delete, done. That's as easy as it can get. All right. So let me know in the comments below if you want me to do something else. Send me a message at DevAlexMartinez if you want me to do something else. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.